Hello and welcome back to the VOCAI Training Academy. My name is Ray and we are here with yet another video. Today I want to share with you some of my personal experiences as a first-time Amazon seller. I have made mistakes along my journey and I want to share all of those mistakes with you so that you don't make the same. I'm sure many of you who are watching are wanting to sell on Amazon, have not started yet, or you are an existing Amazon seller that are looking to grow and scale your brand. What I'm about to say today is going to be helpful to you regardless of what stage you're on. Let me actually show you my first product on Amazon. So this is the Aliferous Art 48 color oil pastels. I started working on it in January of 2021. There are so many factors that goes into selecting a good product on Amazon, and I want to share with you what my thought process was, how did I pick this product, and what mistakes I have made along the way so that you don't make the same mistakes. I would argue the most important thing to consider when picking a product to sell on Amazon is your audience. Who are you selling this to? Is it children, parents, students, teachers? Who is your audience? Where are they located? And why are they interested in this product? I looked at this product and I thought it's so colorful. I'm an artist myself and I can make drawing videos with this and promote my own product. So the audience must be somebody like me. The audience must be someone who is passionate about art, maybe a hobby artist or a student in high school that is looking to go into art school, or even a professional artist, because I decided to source something that was of very high quality. These pastels are very soft and creamy, and it's expensive to make very soft and creamy pastels. I'm like, okay, so here's my demographic, hobby artists. Boy, was I wrong. Now, if you do a little bit of market research with oil pastels on Amazon, you would know that there are a lot of parents buying for their children. And I did see that when I was doing my research. However, because I was sourcing such a high quality product, I thought my audience would be hobby artists, professional artists, not just parents who are buying for their kids, because there are big name brands that are selling really cheap 48 color oil pastels that they can sell for $5 and parents can buy them for their kids. And with a product like this, there's no way I can sell it for $5. So I immediately assumed my audience is not for children and I do not need to consider children when customizing this product. And that is what I do not want you to do. Tip for you in this video is to never assume you know who your audience is. Always go by the data that you can see with VOCAI softwares. With the VOC review analysis, you can see the exact demographic of who a product is targeting on Amazon. It is vital that you do this research because you may think it's one audience, but it's actually another audience, and you will suffer in the long run. Your hard-earned money that you are putting in to a product to sell on Amazon is going to go down the drain because of one little assumption that you made, thinking that you know who you're selling to, but you don't. The VOCAI review analysis is the only tool on the market right now as of 2023 that can show you the exact demographic that a product is targeting and the exact breakdown. I'm sure many of you are currently taking training courses that teach you how to sell on Amazon, Walmart, how to pick a product, etc. And I did as well 2 years ago, thinking that that was enough, but it is not. When I started selling, I faced so many issues. Although I knew about the launch process, I knew that you had to rank a product on Amazon, make sure you spend enough PPC, get it to page 1. I knew all of those things. However, the rank process seemed to never. I was always ranking, and if I stopped putting so much PPC money on ranking, my product would drop, sales velocity would drop, and I just never seemed to get out of the ranking phase. What I realized is that there are so many other competitors on Amazon that are selling 48 color oil pastels, but at such a cheap price. And they have lower quality pastels because I have tested their products. And although professional artists, hobby artists seem to love my product for the quality, there were so few of them that I didn't have much sales velocity. And the majority of the audience on Amazon that are interested in oil pastels are parents buying for their children. So if you think about it, I have a really high quality product that I sourced at probably 2 to 3 times more expensive than my competitors. And they have spent probably $1.50 on each unit. So they're able to sell it at such a cheap price. And I can't do that because each unit I sell at their prices, I am losing money. So I am stuck at selling a really high price where my audience who can afford this is very, very small. Not that parents can't afford it, but if you think about it, you're buying a pastel set for your 6-year-old daughter, you're not going to spend so much money on it. And if you see 2 products side by side, even if it's lower quality, you're just giving it to your toddler to play around with and break and just have fun. So that is the most major mistake that I made during my product selection process, because I made the easy assumption that I knew who my audience was when I really didn't. The VOC review analysis tool was not available to me when I started selling on Amazon in 2021, but we are in 2023. This is the new era of AI, and you need to take advantage of all these powerful tools that are available at your disposal. The money that you would have to spend on the VOC review analysis tool is so insignificant compared to the $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 plus dollars you're spending on inventory, manufacturing, shipping to launch this product on Amazon. This is something that you can easily do in 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to quickly pop into the screen that you would be seeing inside the VOC review analysis tool, VOC Consumer Insight. And what I'm going to do is show you with my oil pastel product how I can get the exact customer profile. We're selling on Amazon.com, and I'm going to search oil pastels. So this is going to pull up all of these ASINs that show up on Amazon when the keyword oil pastels are typed. So you can select the competitors that you think would be selling a like-for-like product. For me, I'm selling 48 colors and I'm selling oil pastels. So I can select competitors that are selling 48 to 50 colors. That's pretty much the same in the eyes of consumer. So now I've selected 10 ASINs or competitors just as an example, and I'm gonna click AI Analyze. This is going to take a couple of minutes, and you can see right here the progress of this report. The report is done, and I'm going to click into it. Now, what I'm seeing on the screen here is a full customer profile that the VOC review analysis tool has generated for me in terms of the customers that are buying these 10 products that I have just selected. So I can see who I should be targeting if I were to sell a similar product. Now, this data is pulled from the reviews. So I can see here the who, and I can see that it's majority for kids and for daughters, sons, granddaughter, and a little bit of friend. So right away I know that the main audience that will be physically using these products are children. Even though it's parents buying for their children, you still have to keep in mind that it's the child that will be using this product. And if it's for a child, how much would a parent want to spend for their child for a pack of pastels? That's going to be different than what a hobby artist or a professional artist might want to spend on a pack of pastels. And help you determine how much money you want to spend to source a high quality product. Because in my case, I sourced a really high quality product, and now I'm stuck at selling a much higher price in order to make a profit, and I'm losing out on all of these sales that are aimed at children and their daughters and sons and grandsons. So that is the major mistake that I made. I easily could have pulled up this report with 5 to 10 minutes and made a better decision. So let's finish looking at this report and see what else we can pull from here that might help determining how to sell on Amazon. So when? Christmas, everyday, summer. So we see that a lot of it is for Christmas time, so as a lot of it is for gifting. So that's going to be important for product packaging. You might want to make a box that is very visually appealing, like the one that I have here, so it's very giftable. We can also see the where, so schools, classrooms, house, second grade classroom, apartment. So a lot of this product is being used in a classroom, and if a school or an art teacher were to buy maybe 10 to 20 packs for their students, how much would we want to spend per pack? Something to think about. The what gift giving. Again, most of it is for gift giving. So these are 4 major points that you can get out of this report, but there's so much more. The usage scenario. So what percentage is it being used for? Gift for artists, art projects, art class activities, beginner art practice, grandchildren activities, sketching. Now this is another chart that is so useful when you are doing product research. These are actually reviews that were commented under the 10 competitor ASINs that I selected in the beginning, and you can see what people like and what people didn't like about it. So the green are positive reviews. You can see that 5 stars, gift for artists, good value, easy to blend, high quality, variety of colors. So these are things that you're going to try to aim for when you are designing a product, right? And these are things that you might want to avoid and may perhaps improve to make you stand out from your competition. It's hard to blend, it's poor quality, a toxic smell, it's small, it breaks easily. So you might want to keep these things in mind and perhaps improve the current market by making a product that is really easy to blend, that doesn't smell toxic, so that you can stand out from your competition, because there's so much competition on Amazon right now that you need to do something to stand out, and there's not a better way to determine what that is than to use the VOCAI AI report, because this will tell you exactly how to stand out from your competition with real reviews that were left on these ASINs. Going down, we have customer sentiment. Again, this is just a breakdown of this chart above. You can maybe even export this into an Excel file and then make notes to send it to your manufacturer to see what they can do about it and try to improve your product when you are white labeling. The positive feedback, buyer motivation. So this is another big thing to consider. Value for money is a huge motivation that is going to drive sales for you. So how can you make this product a really good value and affordable? I didn't know that most of the audience buying pastels on Amazon want something affordable. So yeah, we can go through all of these. Customer expectations, customer unmet needs. So again, how to stand out, how to meet those customer needs. Listen to your customer, because they are the ones that are buying your product. They are the ones that are driving your sales. And that is what this report is all about. So that is it, everyone. That was my little tutorial demo for how to use the VOCAI AI analysis tool and why it is so essential that you check your demographic, you check your audience before you start selling a product on Amazon, and you don't make the same mistakes as me. And although I love this beautiful pack of pastels, so soft and smooth and creamy, it does not do well because it is too expensive, because most people on Amazon want something affordable for their children. Now, I am still selling this product to this day, but I had to do 10 times more work to make this product profitable. I would have to leverage influencers to make social media content. It is just so much more difficult and so much more work involved if you start off on the wrong foot. So don't start off on the wrong foot. Listen to your audience. Voice of customer review analysis tool is going to be our best friend when you are choosing a product and when you are continuing to sell a product. Even if you're already selling on Amazon, you still need to make more inventory orders. So for your next inventory order, how can you improve this product so that you can stand out from your competition, so that you can further scale your brand? What little tweaks can you make to your current existing product that can make you stand out from your competition? You can go check the bad reviews to see what customer motivation is, and this little report right here is going to just help scale your brand to the next level. I truly hope you can succeed on Amazon by leveraging AI tools. Click the link in the description below to check out the VOC review analysis tool. I'm sure it's going to help you no matter what stage you're at in your Amazon journey. Thank you so much, everyone. My name is Ray, and I will see you in the next VOC video.